Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie in your virtual garden. First, focus on cultivating a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Once they are fully grown, carefully harvest your ripe ingredients, such as juicy berries, leafy spinach, or crisp carrots. Make sure you have the essential blender tool ready in your inventory before proceeding to the next step. Now, open your inventory and select the ingredients you wish to use. Drag and drop at least 3 different items into the blender. For example, combine 1 cup of berries with a handful of spinach and a small carrot. Don't forget to add a liquid base, such as water or milk, to achieve the perfect smoothie consistency. This step is crucial for a smooth blend. This is where you can get creative. Experiment with different fruit and vegetable combinations to discover new flavors. You might try adding optional enhancements like a spoonful of virtual honey for sweetness or some ice for a colder drink. Once blended to your liking, your delicious, freshly made garden smoothie is ready to be served and enjoyed. Cheers to your gardening efforts. Your Garden Fresh smoothie offers fantastic virtual energy and health benefits within the game. Keep exploring and discover new recipes by combining unique ingredients you grow. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated in real life. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.